Okay, in the previous video, we extended our Active Directory to be multi-region deployed or multi-region available. I have a Microsoft Managed AD. It's an enterprise edition and it's multi-region now. Here you can see it says yes, and it's available in 2 regions. If we go into the details of the directory, you can see we have not only the island region or the first and primary region, but we now also have the Asia Pacific region or Sydney. When I click on the different regions here, you'll note that this top part here changes, and it gives me more details about the directory, specifically the operating system version. So even though Server 2019 is now the default for Managed AD, because my existing AD is Server 2012, when I've deployed it, it's deployed that 2012 instance or additions into my other regions as well. When I select primary, you'll see that the heading here changes, and it's also Windows Server 2012 R2. It's worth calling out some of the things here. On October the 10th, 2023, Windows will end extended support and security updates for its operating system, or for that specific operating system for Windows Server 2012. To address this, AWS allows us to upgrade the operating system now from 2012 to 2019. If we choose not to update it now, at a later time, AWS will automatically do this for all eligible directories. So at your leisure now, it's worth doing the upgrade so that you can test and confirm that everything's working as you would expect. At this point, we have deployed the update and we're just waiting for it to run in the background. Let me go ahead and just refresh the page, and I will come back to this video when the region has completed successfully. I'll pause the video until then. I've just logged back into my console now after a couple of hours. So far it's taken about 2.5 hours. And I'm going to check my Active Directory on my Managed AD. And you can see I've got a green banner here at the top already. Your operating system version is successfully updated to Windows Server 2019. But interestingly, it shows as 2019 here for the primary region, but I still have an update button. And even more interestingly, it's gone ahead and updated the Sydney region as well. If I go and select the Sydney region, you can see that it shows Windows Server 2019 as well. I'm not quite sure why we have an update button here. Don't really want to go and update it again, but I'm confident that that's working. When it's a managed Microsoft AD, you do have limited access to the domain controllers to log into them to see what they're doing, but you can remotely query the instance. And I've done that exactly here. I've logged into an EC2 instance running in the Sydney region. I've run an elevated command prompt, and you can see I've done get in PowerShell, I've done get AD domain controller, and I've simply filtered on the name and the operating system, and all domain controllers are reporting as 2019 Data Center Edition. That's it for this video. I hope that's useful for you. Good luck with your updates, and I wish you all the best. Bye for now.